In this video, we will cover how to create an application product on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press Menu, press Setup, press App Rate Config. From this screen, we can edit the current settings of our configuration or create a new configuration. Scroll down so that product is highlighted. Press Edit. Press Create New. With the new product highlighted, press Edit Name. Enter in the correct name of the product. Once this has been done, press Accept. We have now covered how to create an application product on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.